Here I have NOKIA X71 and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation by using the Nokia settings. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, let's open the list of all apps, choose settings. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. So right now let's choose advanced, and from the following options let's choose reset options. Choose here erase all data factory reset, and as you can see, this operation will erase all data from your phone internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset phone and confirm the operation by choosing erase everything. Right now the device is performing the hard reset, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel pops up, so now you can start easily activate your device and use your phone. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.